if you want to turn on TalkBack on Samsung Galaxy S25, what you need to do is go to Settings. In Settings, we need to scroll down to find Accessibility and then go over here, and then you should be able to find TalkBack. Now you need to simply tap on the switcher at the top in order to turn on TalkBack, and of course you can also easily turn it off over here if needed. And you have the tutorial as well, where we can read it in order to learn how to use it. But what you need to know, what is the most important part, is that in order to navigate on TalkBack, you tap on the option that you want to use, and then double tap in order to activate it, to make a change, to use it. And if you need to scroll on your phone, then you can use you need to use 2 fingers instead of 1. So essentially what you can do with 1 finger without TalkBack, you use 2 in order to navigate with TalkBack enabled. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.